my channel. Today we are going to learn colors in Thai. Let's go! Welcome to my class. My name is Jillian and today we are going to learn colors in Thai. Are you ready?
Yes!
Let's begin. What color is this? This is color red. In Thai, สีแดง. What color is this? This is color orange. In Thai, สีส้ม. What color is this? This is color yellow. In Thai, สีเหลือง. What color is this? This is color green. In Thai, สีเขียว. What color is this? This is color blue. In Thai, สีฟ้า. What color is this? This is color purple. In Thai, สีม่วง. What color is this? This is color pink. In Thai, สีชมพู. What color is this? This is color white. In Thai, สีขาว. What color is this? This is color black. In Thai, สีดำ. What color is this? This is color brown. In Thai, สีน้ำตาล. What color is this? This is color gray. In Thai, สีเทา. Let's do it again. Red, สีแดง. Orange, สีส้ม. Yellow, สีเหลือง. Green, สีเขียว. Blue, สีฟ้า. Purple, สีม่วง. Pink, สีชมพู. White, สีขาว. Black, สีดำ. Brown, สีน้ำตาล. Gray, สีเทา. And we are done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!